The head of the CIA, his private email account allegedly hacked by a high school student.
Homeland Security is warning about doxing.
A new bill aims to make it illegal to dox an Oklahoma law enforcement officer.
Okay, you just saw the madness. News going wild, the head of the CIA getting doxed himself, police swatting houses. That's doxing. And Doxbin is a sketchy spot where it all lands. But let's be real. Most doxers are just probably 14-year-old kids messing around in the internet, grabbing your IP address, ordering a stack of pizza to your house, or in the worst case, swatting you, faking a 911 call to send cops to your house. Annoying, right? But here's the kicker. Doxing is not only a way to troll in the internet. In the hand of competent black hats, it can actually turn into a very powerful weapon. With the right details, they can do the worst, like rob your bank account or steal your whole identity. This isn't just kid stuff anymore. Alright guys, so before I show you how to dox though, you need to understand how doxers even get to the data and how data breaches even work. So let me show you a quick example. This right here is Timmy, and Timmy loves to play Roblox. In order to do so, he needs to create a Roblox account. When he's creating the account, he's giving Roblox basically his whole personal information. He's giving them his email address, his telephone number, his IP address, a username, and a lot more. All of that data is stored by Roblox in a database. And in that database there is not only his data, there is the data of everyone who ever played Roblox. But what happens if a hacker comes now and decides to hack Roblox and gets to the database? So when the hacker gets into the database, he now actually has the data of every single Roblox user in that database. So he can now sell the data or just publish them to the internet, and everyone has access to them. That everyone with Timmy's username can now find his whole personal information if he has a tool to search it up and to search databases. Alright everyone, so let's take a look now on a website that you can actually use to dox someone. So I will show you the tool OSINT.ru. OSINT.ru is a data breach tool. It is basically searching through databases and you can use it to dox someone. So once you visited this website, you now want to click on register and create an account. Once you created an account, let's see what we can find on this website by just searching for a random username. In that case, we will use the username Ninja. And let's see what we have found. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have 75 results, which is getting shown right here. And yeah, so we have right here a leak from a random forum with the email Ninja password legend. The email is probably wrong and it is supposed to be the username and not the email. So we have Discord leaks, cheater leaks, League of Legends leaks. Hypothetically, if you have this data, you could steal his account. Of course, you would need like email verification and stuff, so this is not the data that is needed to steal an account. So let's now search for Timmy. Just enter Timmy in the search bar and let's see what we get here. We have 75 results again. So this is by the way only the results that are getting shown. If you have like the premium rank or something, the results, you will have more results. And yeah, let's see what we have here. It's a telephone number, I think. And here we have an email. Let's try to look up an email. And let's see if we can find more shit to this email. Alright, we got a jackpot, as you can see. To the email that we just looked up, we found multiple other leaks. So basically, if you basically dox his Roblox account and you find, let's say, the email of his Roblox account, yeah? And then you search up the email of the Roblox account. You might find, let's say, his Facebook account, PayPal account, all his accounts, social information, everything. And this is the way how you dox someone. You've now seen how real doxing works, real leaks, real tools and real risks, but this is only the top of the surface. If you want to learn how to become a professional in doxing or looking for an OSINT tool, feel free to join my Discord community Cyber Engine or subscribe to my Patreon to get access to tutorials, methods and tools no one else will show you. If you're interested in content in IT area like this, feel free to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel to not miss out future videos as well. Also, I'm giving away 10 euros to a random person who comments below this video. With that being said, have a great day and always stay safe online.